Hey guys, I'm out here today at 1723 Waterfall Drive in Marysville, California. And I'm just gonna do a little walkthrough video with you. You can see this awesome listing from the inside out. So as you can see, we're up front. Very beautiful home. We have a 3-car tandem garage. We have 33 solar panels up top. We got this really large RV space here on the side. Take a quick walk over here really quick. It's a really large concreted area, good for entertaining. These owners once had an above ground pool back here. So you can really do anything with this space, but the RV parking is really helpful. Come around front here. So this home is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom, 2,276 square feet. As you enter, you have a really open floor plan. Nice little office space here. It has a place to put their instruments and computers. You got another either secondary living room or office space. Pretty much whatever you can kind of think of. So as we go upstairs, I just want to note the wood stairs. We have solid wood stairs and the solid wood banister that they had upgraded here. Nice bright home as well. I think that's always important. Little window up there. This home was built in 2005. They've made some really nice upgrades with the flooring, the waterproof vinyl. And this is gonna be the largest room secondary to the master. So you can tell they've kind of fit a lot in here, and it would be a really great room if your kids need to share or really anything like that. Here we have the master. Let's see. I did not want those in there. But here is that. Stand and shower. We have the upgraded vanities, standalone vanities. That separate toilet room. Down the hall we have the 3rd bedroom. The 2nd full bathroom, again with updated vanities. Shower, toilet. Fourth bedroom. We have upstairs laundry, which is really nice. Got the sink, windows, and electric dryer. Come back down. Over to the kitchen area. Nice, really nice large eat-in kitchen. Living room. Gas fireplace. These 2 little nooks right here for your entertainment consoles or storage. stainless steel appliances. It's a really large closet right here. I'm not going to open just at the seller's request at this moment, but it's a very large closet that goes all the way underneath the stairs, so you have a lot of space. Another upgraded bathroom, half bath here. Same standalone vanity. Got some space for some shelving or whatever it is you'd like to put back there. So head outside really quick. All right, so we have concrete that does go all the way around. Let's take a peek on this side. It's a really nice grassy area. Sun shines on this side pretty well. I have a shed that, I think they might plan to take, but you could, request it. If that's really something you want to stay, they would consider that. For here, you can see the brand new 510 HVAC air conditioner here. So their HVAC was upgraded. You'll see that this thing is huge. If you're standing next to it, it's pretty big. So again, this is just that side, the other side yard. Concrete and just a huge space for your boat or trailer or anything that you want it. Alright, so what else? I'll go over those details again. Built in 2005, 2,276 square feet, 3-car tandem garage. We have a whole house filtration system also. That's pretty new. New water heater, new 510 HVAC with zoning. The 33 solar panels are leased through SunPower. We have gutter screens and lots of little upgrades. So come out and check it out. Call your agent, come get a showing in person. But yeah, I hope this video helps. I appreciate you watching. Have a good day.